Okay, I thought I would do a small little desk tour just because I think it's interesting to know what other people have around them when they're trying to either study or just hang out, and this space is really important to me, especially because I'm online right now, and so I spend most of my time sitting right here like this, looking right in front of me like this. And I actually have recorded this once before, but it wasn't very nice, so I thought I'd just do it again. So I guess I'll just, there was already a little overview in the intro, I guess, so I'll go over each little thing here. Okay, I went ahead and grabbed the notes that I had for this video, actually. So this is my computer here that I made. You can see Sonic is right in front of it here. I do not do all my schoolwork from this, but I do most of it. And it's got a 1650 and a Ryzen 5 5600X and some RAM, a cooler, you know, custom cable. Kakashi's in there too. I don't know if you can kind of see him a little bit, but yeah, it's nothing special. It's honestly not that good. It needs some upgrades. And then up here I just have my VR headset and my Cree next to my Overwatch light. Actually lights up if I just go ahead and try it. There we go. Pretty cool. I like this part. Oh, and this is on, so my desk is here. It's not super long, if you can see. And I actually built this end table here. So, pretty nice, I guess. It's honestly not that good. It's kind of scuffed. But I like it. It was one of the early things that I built, so pretty nice for what it is, I guess. Got some books on the side, some notes. This is a sketchbook from a long time ago. Dune, of course. And then, just moving on, I have another shelf with more figures on it. I do like figures, I guess. There's a Skyrim map, of course. All around my room, actually, there are pictures of Wolverine. I've been a fan since I was a little kid. This is Pothos. Very resilient plant. I'll say that much. And the last shelf has almost all my Sonics on it, so yeah. Okay, right behind the two monitors, I have some art. You can kind of see it. I don't remember when I made that. I must have been in like 11th grade or so. Same like that. I used to be really into drawing. I should probably get back into it. This I made at a Lunar New Year festival a few years ago, and it just has my name, and I don't remember what that says. So, and over on this shelf, the shelf that I look at all the time, one of my favorite shelves, I have a little cactus guy, Tails, of course, Botsmaru, if you can kind of see him. He's a little, but there he is. Then I've got some manga. It used to be up there, but I went ahead and moved it because the shelf was falling apart. Here is a link right next to my tripod that I use to record some of the other videos. Another Wolverine. An outdated calendar. I need a new one, but I don't want to take it down because actually there's some art behind that, so maybe I will take it down. There is a link that I drew and a Red Dead Redemption 2 map. And so yeah. And then if I sit down here, this is like the main view, I guess, the main attraction. So the keyboard here, it is, I'll just put the name on the screen, but it's kind of nice, I think. I don't remember what the switches are called. Actually, I might have written it down. Moment switches? Moment linear switches? They're pretty nice. This is a pre-built keyboard. And I had some other keys on it, but I put it on another one. That keyboard is not ready yet. So for now I'm using this one. I really like it. It sounds pretty nice. I don't know if you can hear it. Headphones. Just some random off-brand IEMs. They seem, let me get the camera in focus. They're pretty nice, I think. Yeah, I would recommend wearing some like earbuds. I do have headphones, but to be honest, it hurts my head to wear headphones. These headphones are really nice. I don't know if I'll be able to find the name, but these have lasted me about 3 years. 2 years of constant, consistent use. And they're excellent. Very good for playing video games, but not really for sitting for a long period of time. I would recommend something like this. Because I get headaches pretty easily. And monitor one, here's my main monitor, and then I have a secondary monitor here. This one, I honestly can't remember the size. I probably should have found this information. Don't remember the size, and I don't remember the curvature. But it is curved, if you can see. I don't know if you can kind of tell. I think it's like 1800. Don't count me on that though. It's a nice monitor. Refresh rate is 240 hertz, I think. And I've just got both of them hooked up to this monitor arm here. It's really nice. When I had a single monitor arm that I replaced this with, it was the same brand actually, so I went ahead and just bought the same brand again. Then we have my desk mat. It is really dirty. It needs a wash. I paint my nails over here, and I do a lot of random stuff over here, so that's why it is dirty. But it's really nice. I think it suits the color scheme that I was trying to go for. Water bottle. I always have that next to me, always, when I'm studying, because you need to stay hydrated. That's important. I've just got a few stickers on it that I like. Remote for my ceiling fan on this reading stand that I just keep on the side of my desk. Sometimes, I don't always use it for reading, but if I do have a physical book, yes, I do use this. I've had this for probably like 4 years, 3 years, 3 years, I'll give it 3. And on it I just have a notepad where I keep notes. This is just random pieces of paper that I don't use. This is a secondary phone that I use for reading. I have a timer on it to time myself when I'm studying. It's nice though. I only have a few apps on it. It doesn't have any data or anything. So yeah, I'll just be reading on it, not gonna lie. So I have some books on there. And it's usually what I'll use. I'll carry around along with my actual phone, just so that I have another device, something separate, I guess. Oh, and mice. I have one mouse for gaming. It is a Corsair Harpoon RGB wireless mouse. A friend recommended I get it. I was looking for a wireless mouse. It works great. It's awesome. I like this mouse a lot. Wasn't really expensive either. I have this. This is a ProtoArch EM01. It's usually what I use when I'll study. I seriously love this thing. A lot of people say a trackball mouse is kind of hard to get used to, but in my opinion it was honestly really intuitive and easy to use. And one of my favorite parts of this mouse is the device switching right here. So you can just click this little button and just, oh god, I was trying to get it to focus, it doesn't want to. But you can just click that little button in the middle, and if it's connected Bluetooth to like another couple devices, you can just go from dongle, Bluetooth, other Bluetooth. It's so nice because I do use a laptop for school, and when I'm on my computer and I'm on my laptop and I can just click the button and switch between both of them, it's like hella convenient. I don't know. I would recommend a trackball mouse though, especially if your desk tends to get really cluttered. Like when you're studying and can't, like, this is hard to do whenever there's a bunch of crap around you. So I would recommend this. So I got this at like the beginning of last semester, so August. Well worth it. It wasn't even that expensive too. So that's the main stuff around my desk, I think. I also have a webcam that I'll record sometimes on. I like that too. Do have another shelf here. It's not very pretty looking at all. It's just got some markers. I've got a little stress ball here too that I'll grab sometimes. I do have fidget toys, stress ball. I don't know, sometimes it helps me focus, I guess. I keep my stickers in here. Then I have this little shelf. I would recommend everybody get one of these just to shove stuff in. Tape and like desk necessities. Stuff like that. It's really ugly because I just place stuff here that's convenient for me to grab. I also have a microphone, and it is a Fifine microphone, and I don't know what model, so sorry. And I just have it hooked up to a mic arm here so I can get it on my way. This is a really cheap arm, and I want to get another one really bad. Could not recommend, and I don't know the name of it. It was like $20 maybe. I have the mic cable running through it, and I also have an aux cable that's plugged into my computer, and that's where I plug in these headphones that I showed right here. So yeah, that's what's on top of my desk. Do have these little, this thing, I don't know, a pencil holder. I have two of them. I have too much stuff, to be honest. In this little notebook, I usually keep to-do lists and shopping lists inside. I think I have a shopping list on it right now. But yeah, so I just keep little notes in here, and sometimes I'll put it in a bag with me or just leave it on my desk. And then one more thing. Last thing is my journal that I keep on my desk here. I try to write in it sometimes. I definitely miss many days, but it is very nice to have something to write in, I guess. And I always keep these around for my glasses. I wear glasses. I need to clean them. And I do have some ivy running along my walls, and there's some up there too. It's fake. And I have these little string lights going around my room. They're not plugged in right now, but they do work. Oh, and there's Rick. I guess I'll show under the desk too. It is very messy down here, but I do have a light just to make it easier to navigate. I literally have an entire light down here. It's like I'm in the caves, but yeah, this is like right underneath my desk. There is another shelf here. I do have, this is a keyboard box. My other keyboard is in here that I'm working on. Sketchbooks, just random stuff. I think it's a yearbook from like middle school. But here I have, it is probably so dangerous to have it like this. But I have a surge protector and everything's plugged into here. I've got some controllers down here. This box of cables is not plugged in, don't worry. It's literally just a box of all my cables and a controller. But I do keep them here for easy access. It doesn't look organized, but they are all cable tied. And it's easy to sort through. It just looks very messy. I have some tools here. I do like building computers, so I have the tools that I need for that. I have a trash can that I keep right there, which has a box of nothing. Those are some keycaps in there. It's not a box of nothing, I just keep random stuff in there. Behind it, I have an Xbox One, PlayStation 4, and I don't know if you can see, but there's a PlayStation 3 right here. I do really love video games, so I do need all these consoles. They aren't unnecessary at all. But yeah, if I need stuff, I'll just dive underneath my desk, and that's why there's a light down there, because without it, it is kind of dark. So I need to be able to see, you know, doing useless stuff all day, nodding away. Okay, so I didn't end up filming an outro, so I'm here now, and yeah, that was basically the video. That's my whole desk. I really do spend most of my time sitting here, studying, and of course playing video games. The title is like 100,000,000% clickbait. Yes, that is what I do study, but this has nothing to do with that. Like, anybody could have this stuff on their desk. What I go to school for has no effect on that. And yeah, I was just hoping to make people click the video. But hopefully I make some more content focused on that. But for now, this is what there is. And I hope the video is okay. So, thank you for watching. And if you like it, you know, go ahead and like it. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, bye.